Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to deactivate Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to log into your Facebook account. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Tap on the secure icon right here. Under settings and privacy, you have to tap on this Meta account center. Click this one and then scroll down till you see personal details. Tap on personal details here. Now, under personal details, you should see the following options. Account ownership and control, tap on this one. Now you should see two options again, memorialization and deactivation or delete. So all you have to do is tap the second option. Now here on delete or deactivate, you have to verify your Facebook account. And then you have two options here, which is deactivate and delete. So you have to click the first one, which is delete your account. Now what you're going to do next is tap on continue. So here it will just show you the pages that you have, that it will also deactivate all your pages here. But if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, just go on and tap on continue. And then after that, you have to enter your password. After you have entered your password, you will see the activate button, and all you have to do is tap that one in order for you to fully deactivate your Facebook account. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.